This is Morgan, one of my favorite longtime clients. So happy to share her with you today. We're gonna apply Reverie Milk Anti-Frizz Leave-In on damp hair and really take our time seasoning this into the hair, roots to ends, reapplying if we find that we need more. Now let's go in with Reverie Rake Styling Balm. This is one of my favorite products in the line. Kind of works like a gel mousse, but when it's all said and done, it's gonna have a very soft finish. Roots to ends on damp hair. Give it a little squeeze, a little shape so that her curls can find themselves. Now we'll diffuse on low speed and low heat, holding the hair in her hands to protect her neck and to feel how damp to dry it is, lifting her upside down to get a little bit more volume at the root,